The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is finally launching on May 13 as per this leak teaser, but there is one table turning detail no one saw coming. Here's everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, but before we begin, make sure to save this video so that you don't miss it. First, let's get done with the basics. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to feature a 6.7 inches flat AMOLED display with 1440p resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, and to power this up with the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, which you have already seen on the other S25 series models. Storage options will be of 256GB and 512GB. Coming to the optics, there will be two rear cameras. The primary one being a 200 megapixel sensor from Samsung, which will be optically stabilized and will have aperture value of 1.7. The other will be a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor. Coming to the front, the selfie camera will again be of 12 megapixel. Other details include an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and IP68 rating. The most important aspect of S25 Edge is that it will have a very sleek design of just 5.85 mm thin, and it will be made out of titanium. And inside the sleek chassis will be a 3900 mAh battery, which can be charged at a speed of 25 watt with an additional charger, but there will be wireless charging as well. Now coming to the table turning detail I mentioned earlier, as per this latest leak, the S25 Edge is expected to be priced around 1200 euros, which translates to around $1400. While we all were expecting the S25 Edge to be priced competitively, this latest report suggests that Samsung might go the other way. While there is no official announcement about the global availability yet, some reports suggest that the initial availability will be limited to 3 countries, that is China, South Korea and India for the time being. So if Samsung indeed plans to price this sleek powerhouse over $1000, will you go for it or will you look for something else? Let's discuss in comments. Share this video with someone who was eagerly waiting for the S25 Edge. I'll see you next time. Till then, follow for more such useful videos.